All right, let me show you guys how bright this thing is. All right, so I'm gonna turn it off completely. We are outside. There's one light bulb, two, and this is a tent that we're under. Today we're gonna bring in two LED light bulbs, and these are actually pretty good. They come with the actual USB, so we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. First of all, they're not glass. This is actually plastic, so they're gonna take some beating. I actually dropped them when I first got them, and they work fine. I tested them out. They turned out pretty good. They come with two hooks, additional hooks, two separate LED lights. You can use one if you want, or you can use both. Now they do give you an adapter, a converter for two USBs Type A directed to another source, and you are going to need the power source. Now let's go talk a little bit more about the actual connection itself. You have an on and off, you got a minus and a plus, and then you could turn the actual lighting different sources or lighting different tones of it. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it looks at night. We're gonna actually set it up on a tent that we have. And if you're gonna go outdoors for camping or any kind of function that you're gonna have, you wanna make sure you wanna light up the place. This is probably something you wanna use. Now, if you don't have a power source, you can always use a power bank to power these up too. So the power bank itself, it's pretty neat. I mean, you just get a power source out, an indicator, and these will work for many hours to light up the whole place too. So we got a power source on, and then we can control the actual controls from here. We're going to turn on one light. That's one. We're going to put a plus in minus, and then we can change the tone of the color. So kind of like a yellowish color. And then this will be kind of like the daylight. And this is good for camping, outdoor events. So we're gonna turn on one light. If you guys can see, one light goes on, and it's completely dark outside. And of course, two, even brighter, as you can see. So let's go ahead and turn them off again. So you guys see, super light, super dark. Turn on one light. Let's turn on one light. And then we're gonna turn on the other light. You guys can see, super powerful, super dark out there, and you can see the whole tent in here and everything else. It lights up the whole place here too. So we have a power bank powering it up. So if you're gonna go camping, you could take one of these anywhere and charge the whole system for throughout the whole night. Really easy, inexpensive, easy to travel with. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.